Good morning, children. Are you happy? I want to know whether you have done the previous day's homework. I came to know some very few are lazy to do the homeworks up to date. Please think that I am writing the notes for you and the homework maximum I have written for you. You have to do very little, isn't it? So please don't be lazy. You do the homework up to date. Okay? You are good children. I hope you will do that. Okay. Today, let us start our class. Page number 52 by 3. See, you all of you have gone to a shop and bought something, no? Or your parents. Saranga has 8,000 rupees with him. He want to buy 3 items. The cost of each items are given there under that. Which all items are there? Mixer, torch, iron, pressure cooker, gas stove and fan. You look at the shop. All items are exhibited there, no? Then 8,000 rupees only he has. He has to buy spend complete money for buying these 3 items. Then you find out which all items he can buy for this 8,000 rupees. You just take one item, suppose mixer, 3,450 rupees, no? Then you take iron box, it costs 1,000 rupees, 3,450 plus 1,000, 4,450 rupees. 4,450 rupees are there now. Then rest of the amount you have to find out. You subtract 4,450 rupees from 8,000. Then you will get the remaining amount with him. 8,000 rupees ആണ് അയാളുടെ കയ്യിലുള്ളത്. 3,450 rupees മിക്സറിന് കൊടുക്കുന്നു. 1,000 rupees അയൺ ബോക്സിന് കൊടുക്കുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര സ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്തു? 4,450 rupees already ആയി. Then which item he can buy again? So then you have to subtract 4,450 from 8,000. That number is there. You have to find out which number? Which number? Fan. You see? Fan. 3,550. You add 4,450 plus 3,550. See, let us add here. He bought mixer, iron box and fan. Let us add the number. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry over 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over 1 again. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7,000 plus 1,000. We are adding thousands place now. 7,000 plus 7 plus 1, 8. 7,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 8,000. So he completely spent 8,000 rupees for 3 items. Again there are, or he can buy some other items also for 8,000 rupees. There are items like gas stove, pressure cooker, iron box, torch, etc. are there. Which all items he could buy? You write example, gas stove 3,245 rupees, pressure cooker, cost of pressure cooker is 3,755 rupees, iron box, here also there is that 1,000 rupees, no? Iron box 1,000 rupees. Let us see what is the total amount for these 3 items. 5 plus 5, 10, carry over 1 tens place. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10, carry over 1 to 100 space. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, carry over 1 to thousands place. 1 plus 1000 plus 3000, 4000. 4000 plus 3000, 4 plus 3, 7. 4000 plus 3000 is equal to 7000. 7000 plus 1000 is equal to 8000. He completely spent 8000 rupees for gas stove, pressure cooker and iron box. Got it? Okay, it is very easy. Then you have to write in the textbook how I did it. You write these items and how my friend did it. Another friend did like this, and suppose you did like this. Anyway, everybody done. Both of you got 8000 rupees completely. Both you have to write in the textbook here. Did you see how I found it? How my friend found it? You write the items here like this in two boxes. Okay. Then page number 52, same. One interesting item is there. Read the question. Find the sum of the consecutive numbers from 1 to 10. Consecutive numbers we have studied now before, no? Numbers comes continuously, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, up to 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24 like that. That comes continuously. That is consecutive numbers. Do you remember that? I have taught you before. Okay. Then there are many methods to find the sum of, sum means total. Sum means total of numbers from 1 to 10. First step is first step you can do that. You can write here 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Up to 10 you can write and add. So what you will get? First step. What will be the answer? You write the numbers like this up to 10 and add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this and add and find out the answer. Okay. I will show you another step. Another step, another method. One plus, add the first number and the second number. First number is 1 and the last number is 10. 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. Then multiply this 11 by 5 into 5 is equal to 11 5s are. Did you study the tables? 55. 11 5s are 55. Then another method is to multiply the fifth number. We can write then you can write 2 plus 9, 3 plus 8 is equal to 11 is equal to 11. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Like that you can write. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Another way, multiply the fifth number by 5. Now fifth number is 5. First 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. 11 into 5 is equal to 51. Everywhere we got 11. Did you see that? Then last one easy method, another method also there. Add the first and the last number. First number is 1 and last number is 10. Then what to do? Multiply by 5. That is the easy method, no? 11. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. 11 into 5 is equal to 55. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 11 into 5 is equal to 55. Like that you will get. This is an easy method for you. Okay? You can do it with the numbers from 20 to 30. Okay? Or 21 to 30 you can do that. You do it by yourself. 21 to 10 numbers. From 21 to 10 consecutive numbers. This is very difficult. It will take time. This is the easy method you can do. Okay. Add the first and last number and then multiply by 5. Okay. Then I will give you some homeworks later. Tomorrow on Wednesday you will have a test paper, so I am not giving you more homeworks for you. Then you study well and get a full mark for the class test. I will ask your parents, and your parents have to send me the marks also. Okay, best of luck. Thank you.